How to be a data scientist, a beginner's guide. Welcome to the exciting world of data science, a field where numbers tell stories and patterns predict futures. First, hone your math skills. Statistics, calculus, and linear algebra are essential in this profession. Next, learn programming. Python and R are key languages for data manipulation and statistical analysis. Dive into machine learning. Understanding algorithms will help you extract valuable insights from large datasets. Lastly, never stop learning. Data science is an ever-evolving field, so stay ahead by continually upgrading your skills. Start your data science journey now and unlock the secrets hidden within the numbers.